Fresh Rewind.
All right, so I lowered the level and I'm starting the primer, and I'm going to start the cement, and I'm going to put some of this on here, silicone. So I put the primer, then I put the cement. Next, once it dry up, I'm going to put some caulk on here. It's not going to be watertight, so it matters a little, but not a lot. So this part is going to take a while because the compost is too wet to sift out. So I put it in this thing here so it can kind of dry out a little bit. And as it dry out, I can sift it through and separate all of the non-compost from the compost. And eventually this thing's going to go all the way down to the bottom. Once I get to the bottom, then I'm going to put one of these pipes in the middle and then start filling it back up. With this system, as it dries out in here, the worms can get down into this system in here. Then I can always move them later or whatever. But as it dries out, it can go down. And they may be in here as I harvest the top and go further toward the bottom. Then the ants can run away and the worms can run away and get down here. So eventually this is going to be all emptied out. Like I say, I'm going to make it just like these others. It'll be pretty cool. It'll be ready for the summer, hopefully. Put some caulk on to kind of help cut back on the water leaking out of it. Then kind of like roll that around, kind of seal it in. Like I say, it's not that important. If it does leak, that's cool. It really shouldn't be that much water in the system anyway, but just trying to hold it all in as much as I can, because I can use this water to fertilize the rest of my plants. So I'm going to pretty much repeat this step in all of the containers. All right, so I put some silicone on here. It should dry clearer, don't matter really, but now I have everything set up, and I could I'm gonna keep adding some more, moving some more. So I need to move some more of this so I can put these air pipes in.